This house is for rent, guys. With bedroom downstairs. Here. And then television, dining, a living area here, dining with refrigerator, kitchen, cabinets, then the toilet and bath downstairs with hot and cold shower. Going up with 3 bedrooms in second floor. Here is the master's bedroom. With cabinet, toilet and bath. Here with hot and cold shower with and then balcony here. Then going to bedroom 1. Bedroom 1 also has a cabinet. Good for 2 aircon. And then good for 2 packs. Here, bedroom 2. Good for 2 packs. With aircon. And cabinet. Here. Then 2 toilet and bath. Hot and cold water, shower, toilet and bath, here in second floor. Then going down, you can rent here at 5,500. Good for 10 packs. Thank you for watching. Bye.